I'm Tian Jin, an ML engineer at Notion working on their AI offerings. At Notion, we have a lot of workspaces that are quite large and spans many documents and sources, and we just really wanted a way to be able to provide a seamless, unified experience for people to just look through all their information and find what they're looking for. A key solution we used in our enterprise search offering was the Cohere re-rank service. It provided really important signal as to relevance. It could indicate what is relevant for what people are searching for. The majority of Notion's customers are outside of the US and don't use English, and so the Cohere re-rank service actually translates very well across multiple languages, which helps greatly with flexibility. As we use Cohere through Amazon SageMaker, it also helps incredibly with scalability and supporting multiple regions. The partnership with Cohere and AWS is incredibly important because it allows us to innovate together and drive the roadmap for developing these new features and products that we're launching. The global capabilities of both Cohere and AWS allow us to provide a scalable, strong experience across all regions as we grow.